Manipur Top Channel dagi video amta thagasage ngasi phongba si phongda MCS taraga humdoi MPS taraga taru MSS mari amasum SDC nifuguni pangi appointment order sing kakthakhrei Manipur lenga ki Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms amadi Revenue Department na thokhiba tongan bo order singna Manipur Civil Service ki taraga humdoi Manipur Police Service taraga taru Manipur Secretariat Service mari amasum Sub Deputy Collector nifuguni pangi appointment order High Court of Manipur na haukiba October gi taragani panda pikiba judgment amasum order amana Manipur Public Service Commission na lauduna pangthokiba Manipur Civil Service ka my competitive examination 2016 bu pass tawkraba matungda examination asigi matung ina MPSC na torakpa recommendation gi lengak na khankiba MCS taraga humdoi MPS taraga taru MSS mari amasum STC nifuga nipan gi appointment order sing adu kakhibani hairi Manipur lenga ki Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms ki maikai digi Joint Secretary DP Kangjai Hai kifkian na thokiba order amana MCS MPS amasum MSS officer kunthrago humdagi appointment order adu kakhibani Manipur lenga ki oina civil administration amasum civil police ki oina khwaidagi wanglaba posting asigi appointment sing kakhatpigi order asigi number na 312017 DRDP ni aduga Revenue Department ge maikai digi Joint Secretary Revenue Y Rajen na thokiba order amana SDC nifuga nipan gi appointment order adu kakhatkhibani Revenue Department gi order adu gi number na 31892005R ni MPSC na lauduna pangthokliba MCSCC main exam English sing ani gataratur adugi matung ina ngasi appointment order sing kakhatlaba candidate sing asigi maming sing commission na Manipur lenga ki Department of Personnel na recommend tarokhibani MPSC na recommend tarokhiba commission asigi official letter adugi number na 712016 MPSC DR ni recommendation asi kumja English sing ni taratur ki December 13 mathoi tarokhibani MPSC na recommend tarokpagi matung ina Department of Personnel kumja English sing ani gatararet ki April 19 ngasi thokliba order asigi number da notification ama thoktuna recommend tarokhiba candidate sing asida offer form sing pikhi aduga kumja English sing ani gatararet June kungani thoi amasum July kun ko taruk amadi mamang kumja lising ani gataraga nipan gi June kun ga taruk ta thokiba DP gi tongan order sing gi matung ina makhoi MCS MPS MSSF ki posting appointment pikhi